Okay, we'll continue our book reading Advanced Selling Strategy by Brian Tracy, and we are still in chapter 3 Personal Strategic Planning for Sales Professional. Okay, yesterday where we read was talking about strategic planning made easy. So, for a strategic plan to be easy and to be fruitful, one is that you have to have a goal and you have to have an objective which will help you accomplish and also um, get a result from whatever activity you want to engage in. It also told us that goals can be long term, which means that goals can be measurable. It can be long term, it can be short term, it can be mid term. Goals are also time bound. What specific time are you giving to yourself to accomplish whatever goals you've set in place? At what level are you willing to go, or at what level do you want to accomplish these goals? Okay, so we'll continue from there, page 114, still on strategic planning made simple. So once you have written down your sales income goal for the foreseeable future, make a list of all the reasons why you want to achieve these goals. Reasons are the fuel in the furnace of motivations. The more your reasons you have, the more motivated and determined you will be. A friend of mine is a sales manager for a large national corporation. At the beginning of each year, he helps his salespeople strategically plan for the months ahead. He has found years after years that the salespeople who have very clear reasons for achieving their income goals are invariably the salespeople who meet and exceed their quotas. The salespeople who have fuzzy reasons for selling a certain amount or no reasons at all aside from paying the bills seldom make their quotas or do particularly well. Make list of every single thing you would like to do or acquire as a result of achieving your income goal for the next year. Make a list of the things you would like to do for yourself, your spouse, your children, your family and friends, and your community. Your chief financial goal in professional selling is to ultimately reach the shores of financial independence, climb up onto the higher ground, and build a financial fortress. Perhaps the biggest single responsibility you have to yourself, aside from your health, is to provide for your financial well-being. One of the reasons you are working, and one of the reasons that we analyze the financial aspect of your life earlier in this chapter, is to help you create a blueprint for financial accomplishment. Just as your company aims to make a profit and to continue growing in a competitive market, you must aim to make a profit as well and to put it away for long term. Your objective must be to reach the point sometime in your career where you never have to worry about money again. The only way to achieve financial independence is for you to begin saving and investing from every paycheck. The key to financial success has always been pay yourself first. Pay yourself a certain percentage off the top of every paycheck. Put it away in a savings account for long-term investment and never ever touch it for any reason. The greatest destroyer of financial independence is called Parkinson's law. This law says expenses rise to meet income. It states that no matter how much you earn, your expenses eventually rises and consumes it all, if not a little bit more besides. All financial success comes from consciously and deliberate validating Parkinson's law. It comes from driving a wedge between your increasing income and your increasing cost of living. If you earn 10% more as a result of becoming better in your field, you can allow your living standards to rise, but only by 5%. take the other 5% and save or invest it for financial freedom. As the year passes, as the year passes, drive this wedge deeper and deeper between your income and your living cost until you're saving 10%, 15%, and eventually 20% of your salary. Okay, so this is where we'll stop for our reading today. We're still talking about strategic planning made simple. Still telling us to write down your goals and your objective as a business person, as a company, and also in your personal life. So one of the goals of a salesperson is to achieve or to attain financial independence or financial freedom. So what is advising us as salespeople is to make a list of every single thing you want to do, every single thing you want to acquire, every single thing you would like to do, either for yourself, for your company, for your children, for your spouse, whatever goal you want to achieve, whatever thing you want to do, whether for a friend or family member. All you have to do is write it down and have strategic plans or blueprints to accomplish all this goal or for accomplishment. So this is your stuff for reading today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.